Hello, hi. Are you also struggling to framing the right sentence in English? Yes, but let me tell you one thing. It is very common. Whenever we want to frame any sentence in our second language, so we have to suffer. We don't know how to make it in a proper way or convey our message in a very, very great way. So I have clearly remember when I was completely beginner, still I'm learning, I would say. When I was completely beginner, so at the moment I wanted to, we understand English but we don't know how to speak it. Or whenever we watch any videos or listen anything in English, it seems like yes, I can understand English and I'm good at it. But when it's come to speak the same thing, so it seems like, oh, the things are not coming in my mind, and if idea is also here but I don't know how to speak it in English. So the problem that I used to face in my beginning time, like it was too difficult to frame a single sentence in English. Then I got to know one thing, like if you really want to frame the sentence in English, so let me tell you that I am also doing. Don't go with the complex sentence. First of all, choose very basic sentence, like whatever you are doing. First of all, start with your daily routine, like whatever you are doing, just start with it, and then after move to next sentence, but it should be in a very simple way. There is some formula like subject, object and verb, but I would not talk about it. I'll just talk about how can you speak effortlessly. So one thing I started to doing, I started to reading some sort of books, especially story book, where I started to noticing some sort of word and sentences, how they have framed the sentence, and what kind of message the sentence are producing. So in that ways I got to know, and I started following some very simple English that I can understand easily, where I don't need to put extra effort to understand. So I would just say, like, go with the very simple English,